Hi guys, and welcome to another tutorial on the frankcnero channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create simple animation introduction videos, something that looks like this.
Okay, let's try something different.
Now that was amazing. Such an introduction animation video of this nature could be used for things like YouTube channel post, it could be used for Instagram posts, or whatever you wish to use them for. Now let's go right ahead and design one for ourselves. All we need to do is to go down to a particular website called Panzoid, Panzoid. Now on the Panzoid website, you see categories ranging from clip maker, backgrounder, and video editor. Our main focus is on the clip maker itself, which is already opened and displaying a variety of templates to choose from. In order to view more of this template, you scroll down to the bottom and click on more creations. Here you see a variety of templates to choose from, and majority of them are non-copyrighted materials. So all we got to do right now is to make our choice on the sample for the perfect animation introduction video. I think I'm gonna go with this one. I love the color. Now in clicking that, it takes us to the next window where you click on open in clip maker. This now brings you to the editing window where text, color and sound could be edited to suit your choice. Our main focus is on the left panel of this window, where for the purpose of this video we are going to edit just the name alone. On the left panel, click on the icon that looks like a cube. Now scroll down till you see a sub icon called group name. You click on the very first 3D text and you edit the name to suit whatever you want to be in it. Here I'm just going to type frankcnero, which happens to be the name of our channel. When you're done, you hit enter and scroll to the next text, still within the same panel, and do the same by typing the same name you wrote on the previous one on this second text, and you hit enter thereafter. By the way, you are at liberty to adjust any other option within the panel to suit whatever you want for your introduction animation video. But for the purpose of this tutorial, we'll just play with the name alone, and that's all. Now once everything is done, we just need to round up by rendering our animation introduction video. To do this, we click on the download button, still on the far left. We then select the desired file format and we click on render. The moment rendering is complete, the option for you to download the file comes up, where you now download to your computer. That's about everything on how to create a simple animation introduction video. Thank you very much for your time. Please leave a comment in the comment section, like the video and share it too. And also, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Thank you.